Welcome back. A 23-year-old fighting for his life after getting accidentally shot in his home. Now his family is wanting justice to be served.
The shooting was nearly 2 weeks ago. Gavin Podhorn was shot with a rifle that's typically used to hunt deer, maybe even bears. Fox 4's Jacob Sloan spoke with his family and joins us in studio tonight. Jacob?
Yeah, what's frustrating the family the most is that the man who was holding the weapon when it fired shouldn't have had it in the first place. This is James McCubbin Sr. He was charged with a felony in 2015, meaning under law, he's prohibited from possessing firearms. After it was fired, he actually took Podhorn to the hospital in Excelsior Springs to receive treatment before returning to the home to speak with police. Documents obtained by Fox 4 say McCubbin tried to convince his son to take the fall for the freak accident, knowing that he wasn't supposed to have guns. While Gavin fights for his life, his mother says that justice needs to be served. She spoke with me this evening and said, quote, "He needs to pay for what he's done to my son. He shouldn't have had that gun in the first place. He's a felon. Then to lie and say your child is the one who did it, it's not okay. He needs to pay for this. It's just wrong." McCubbin Sr. is in Clay County Sheriff's Office custody. If convicted, he could face up to 10 years in jail. Jacob Sloan, Fox 4, working for you.